All right, it is Saturday morning. It's half price day at all the Goodwills in our area. And we are going to go in and see what we can find to sell in our eBay store.
That's
you ready?
Right. I am. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Once we got into this Goodwill, it was packed and it was noisy. And most important, their music was so loud we would have had copyright claims, so we're going to have to do some voiceover. Now here I find two Wilton cake pans, the Big Bird and also a Scooby-Doo. And initially I look at them and I put them back, but as you'll see later before we leave, I actually grabbed them. I picked those up for $1.25 a piece, and I think we're going to be able to list those and make some money on them. Now, I was looking for cookware because a few weekends ago I found some Duncan Hines cookware, and I listed it sold within 12 hours. Didn't find anything here today. Now, I was looking at this particular pan. I could have picked it up for $2, but look how discolored it is on the inside, so I end up putting it back as well. Now, I'm constantly on the hunt for sweeper bags and filters and things like that. Those will sell well. These thank you cards I ended up picking up just for us. Now, this one I had no idea what it was when I picked it up. I just noticed it said Cardinal Health. It was brand new, and they were going to be like $1 a package. So I did end up looking them up, and they did have good sell-through rate. So I end up picking both of these up. Constantly looking for unique things that have a good sell-through rate because we really just don't have room to keep inventory on hand for a year at a time. Now this, I mean, the packaging on it is not the best. It is still the original packaging. It's discolored and somewhat dirty. But I picked this up for $1.25, and interestingly enough, it's going to sell for probably $8 to $10. I had to check out. They have no carts available in there, and my hands were hurting. A quick show you. Found this Columbus Blue Jackets hat. It's a NHL's New Era hat. I didn't even comp it out because it was $2.99, so I got it for $1.50. I got these thank you cards. I don't know if we're going to just keep these half price of $1.49. We might use these to put in packages, or I may sell them. I looked this thing up. It's a Paint Buddy Rubbermaid. Good comps, good sell-through. I do really well with vacuum cleaner bags. Got them for $0.25 or 50 cents. And then these maternity pads, 99 cents. I got two of those. And I actually found this little London bag. It's cute. Got it for 50 cents. Really, I got it just so I could put stuff in it. But I may sell it. So it says it's from the UK. So I'm going to head back in. Patty doesn't even know I came out. She's still in there shopping. And we'll go give it another shot.
Can't find them.
Star Wars.
I know. But I can't find this one online.
Is it like a Chewbacca?
Yeah, it's Chewbacca.
Okay.
But I can't find, everyone I find has a hood on it.
Okay.
So if I take a picture of it, I'm not having any luck. But like, it's got a hood on it. Look at that one.
That's hood. A full costume.
Yeah. That one's just...
I don't know. For $3, I would take a chance. Star Wars is popular. That thing's pretty cool. You might even wear it at Halloween.
But then if I... So, I just can't...
Get your Wookiee on.
My Wookiee on. So, yeah.
Literally, get your Wookiee on.
Yeah.
Right.
I heard you.
All right, I'm going to go back. You can get this time. Tell you, these are going to be fine. I love filters, but we'll just double check. Yeah, we'll be fine on those. This I don't know about. Be $1.50. Let's see if any have sold. None have sold, so we'll probably put that back. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. And I might just keep this for myself. It's to snake your drain, clog drains. Not that we've had any clogged drains, but you just never know. Now I head back over to the same section. I just keep working the same area. They keep bringing up more stuff. First I see Scooby. I grab him, but there's a Disney mug right there. And initially I look at it. They want $4, which would have made it $2. And I was like, no way. I end up buying this because we have it listed for $20, 50th anniversary mug.
What are those?
Like a work shoe, women's.
Basement.
And I think, what's the price on them?
$8.99.
Yeah, so they'll be $4.50.
Scooby.
Yeah, I think I didn't comp Scooby, but I feel good about Scooby.
All right, let's get...
Okay. This is round 2. Again, my hands were so full. Patty's with me now. There she comes. She found a couple things. We'll show you what we got here once we get to the car. I'm guessing most of this footage you haven't heard me talking because the music's really loud in there. So for copyright reasons, we can't. But
I think something's wrong with my camera.
Patty's going to see stuff she hasn't seen before.
That's a cool London bag.
I know, 99 cents, so I got it for 50. So I picked up these Wilton. They're brand new because they still have the liners.
Right? Nice.
So they're $1.50 a piece. And it's really just finding a box to ship them in, but I think those will sell. This I might keep for myself. It's this drain weasel. Oh. So if your drains have cloggage, I don't know, we'll see. We picked up these for $4.50. They're safety step comfort work shoe. Yep. And I think those will do good for us.
This one I think is a good find.
This one I think is going to be huge for us. I hope so. They're obviously brand new. They still have the tags. They are an Army combat boot for hot weather. Yep. They were marked up to $25, but we got them for $12.50. So we're spending up in hopes that
if the comps were right,
if the comps were right, then you may have saw already. Patty got a Wookiee sweater thingy. It's Star Wars brand, medium. I got these Brita pitcher replacement filters for $1. I ended up getting Scooby. I have not comped Scooby out, but at $2.49, half of that would be $1.25. How could you go wrong with Scooby? Nothing else. Scooby will just ride with us on thrifting days. And
this one I found. I thought it was pretty. It's made in France. And the comps were just really good for it. So it's cool because it has a zipper.
Oh, I didn't see the zipper. Yeah, and it's got pockets.
Hopefully the zipper works.
Uh-oh. Well, hopefully the zipper works. So I think that's everything from this round. So I think we're going back in one more time. Again, we wouldn't have to come out if there was carts, but there's just not enough carts for the number of people.
Okay, we are back home after our day thrifting in Fort Wayne out at the local Goodwills, and they had half off sale today, as you could see. And at our last stop in Angola, we didn't film in there. We were just getting a little tired, but Patrick, I think, is going to be like the filter king because he found all these cool filters, some different filters here. He found these awesome cowboy boots, double H, and they were half off of something. And they're a really good price.
They had them for $30. We got them for $15, and I found comps for $50, and they are really nice. So
yeah, he's joining. He's such a good eye. And this is just such a cool little find. It's a Franklin Covey little hole puncher. And what did we get it for?
Well, I asked. There was no price on it, and the gal said 99 cents, and then they took 50% off. So we got it for 50 cents, and we found comps, sold comps between $20 and $30 for these 7-hole.
Crazy. Yeah, so we had so much fun today. We found so many cool things. And the Goodwills, as you saw, they were nuts. Everybody was trying to get their good deals.
So we ended up spending a total of $131 today, 47 items, which came out to $2.78 an item.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. It's a little deceiving because we had things like boots that were around $15 a pair, but we also had things that came in at 50 cents. That we're going to be able to like 10x on it. So I didn't go through, we haven't had time to go through and figure it all up, but I'm going to say we're easily going to have probably close to $500 worth of inventory
so.
out of our $131.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah. Yay.
it's pretty awesome. Good haul. So if you want to continue with the journey, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you can check out the store over at eBay under Patty Ann Fashion.
And remember, why pay retail?
When you can save with resale. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.